What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of NX Tutorials. In today's episode I'll show you how to create the apple in 3D. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing is go ahead and create a new file. Today I'll be using my millimeters, so go ahead and specify your units in millimeters. You want to come down here, name your part, your file, choose your folder destination, and go ahead and click OK. Alright, so the first thing is we want to turn off the auto dimensioning, so come in the file, under preferences, go to sketch. You want to make sure your constraints and continuous auto dimensionings are checked off. Click OK. Alright, next we'll go ahead and create a sketch. Choose your plane. I'll leave it at the default, the XY plane. Click OK. Alright, next come up here, create your first arc. Click on arc. Go ahead and dimension it. Alright, we want this radius to be at 10 millimeters, so type in 10. Alright, next we're going to dimension it back to the XY plane. So we'll give it a dimension. Alright, so the sketch needs two more constraints. We'll select this endpoint and this endpoint. We want to make them horizontally aligned. And then the other constraint would be give it a dimension. The height we'll put 7 millimeters. Go ahead and close out. Alright, next we'll go ahead and create another arc. Do the same thing. You want to dimension. And this one we want it to be 4.5. We want it to be tangent with this first arc. Select your endpoints. Make them coincident. And then make them horizontally aligned. Alright, next we'll go ahead and create another arc. And we wanted the equal length, equal radius as the first one. We'll go ahead and make a tangent. And then connect your endpoints. Alright, so we need one more constraint. We'll give it a dimension to this. And we'll type in 4. Close out. That should take care of that. Alright, so coming down, we'll go ahead and create a 29 radius. Alright, go ahead and create another arc here. We want to dimension it to 29 millimeters. Close out. We want it to be tangent with the first one. Go ahead and connect your endpoints. Alright, and the other constraint would be this endpoint. We want it to be aligned vertically with this one. So select them both and type in or click on vertical alignment. Alright, next we'll create an arc here. We want it to be 4.5. We want these to be horizontal aligned. And we want it to be tangent with the other arc. and then we want to connect the endpoints. Alright, go ahead and create another arc, dimension it. We want it to be 7 millimeters. Close out. We want these two endpoints to be horizontally aligned. We want a tangent, and then make them coincident. Alright, we'll make another arc as equal radius as this one. Alright, so select this arc and then tell it to be equal radius. We want a tangent. Connect your endpoint and then make a horizontal alignment. Alright, so we're going to make a cutout here with an arc. Dimension this arc, we want it to be 11. Alright, connect your endpoint. We'll go ahead and make another arc. Dimension this arc at 38 millimeters. We want a tangent. And go ahead and connect your endpoints. Alright, so it says your sketch needs 3 more constraints. We'll go ahead and give it another dimension. Go ahead and select this center point to the y-axis. Now it says that we need 2 more constraints. You can go ahead and connect these endpoints. And now your sketch is fully constrained. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and work on the leaf here. So we'll make an arc. We'll give it a dimension. We want it 9 millimeters. We'll make it aligned. Go ahead and make another arc. We'll make this arc equal radius to the other one. And then go ahead and connect your endpoints. Alright, so now it says your sketch needs 2 more constraints. We can go ahead and work on that. One more constraint. Alright, so now your sketch is fully constrained. Once you have that, go ahead and click Finish. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and extrude this sketch. So you want to come up here, click on Extrude. We'll go ahead and make it 20 millimeters thick. You want to select all the curves that we just sketched, so you should have 11 curves. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, next we'll go ahead and do edge blend. So click on edge blend. We'll do 0.5 for the top leaf. So select all your curves. Click OK. And then we'll go ahead and create another edge blend at 2 millimeters for the rest of the apple. So go ahead and select all your curves, your edges. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, next I want to hide the sketch lines, so under View, go to Move to Layer, select the object. We want these two objects, and then invert selection. That way it's going to select everything else except for the two objects. Click OK, and then move it to a different layer. We'll assign it to layer 5, and then go to Layer Settings, and you want to uncheck the layer that you just created, the layer 5. Once you uncheck it, you should see it hide. So that should take care of that. Close out. Alright, next under Style. Right now it's shaded with edges. We just want it shaded. So that's going to hide all the edge lines. Alright, lastly we'll go ahead and change the color. You want to press Ctrl J. Select the object, the two objects, click OK. Under Color, go ahead and click on the color box. Choose your preference. Click OK. And there's our apple. Alright, there it is. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.